welcome to my kitchen. I don't think I've ever vlogged here or filmed here before, and that is because it wasn't ready. It's still not ready. Okay, today is the day that is going to be ready. Everywhere right now is super disorganized, so many things in places that they should not even be. But today I want to put everything together because I'm finally ready for this place, and every single thing that I ordered for is finally here. So I just said, okay, fine, let's do this today. This kitchen is not as big as the previous kitchen. You guys know where I was staying before. My kitchen was so big, but this one is actually very small. When I mean very small, I mean very small. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like before. You guys will know how small this place is, but I really don't mind. Even with how small it is, I still like this place more than the previous one, and I'll tell you guys why. But for now, let me show you guys what we are dealing with. Let me show you guys how disorganized this place is, so that you know the difference by the time we are done. All right, so coming into the kitchen, this is what we have. We have the sink over here. Then very close to the sink we have my plates. They're like clean plates there, but I don't like the way they are there, so I'm still gonna sort that side out. Okay, they're supposed to be somewhere in the cupboard, so I'm still gonna take them to the cupboard. Then over here on the slab, you guys can see the onions and the ginger and all of that, so I'm still gonna sort that place out. Then moving over to this corner, guys, this is where we have my electric cooker is here with my oven. Then also, you guys remember when I told you guys that I moved into this place like semi-furnished? So you see the electric kettle, the microwave, the blender, and the air fryer. I actually bought all of those things. Like, they were not in the apartment at all. Like, I had to get them. So coming over to this side of the kitchen, this is where I have my groceries. This is like the major thing that I really want to tackle because I don't like the way my groceries are out here. So I have my groceries scattered all over the place. I don't also like the way it's actually in the cupboard there. I don't like it at all. Like, I need to organize that place today. And also the groceries that are on the slab, I also don't like it. So I really need to take care of this place. My spice area is a mess. I don't have a lot. Okay, you guys can see, like, I don't have a lot. Like, you can count the number of spices that I have, but still I still need to take care of this area where I put them. So my pots are here. I actually got a new set of pots, and I'm actually happy because I was you guys, I was struggling with just two pots, one big one and one small one. That's it. So finally I decided to get another set. So I'm going to organize everything into this cabinet. This is where I want to put my pots. Okay, so basically that's the before of the kitchen. So now that you've seen what we are working with, let's get started.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Child, I know your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? Don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this:
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back, while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I got, it is just enough to get by.
Hi guys, so after 5 hours of organizing and not eating, I finally finished. So in this corner, I got rid of all the unnecessary things and I left only my plate rack and my liquid soap. This corner was a mess before. You guys know how it was at the beginning of this video. I showed you guys. So compared to how it is now, it's really nice. So in this corner, I decided to leave out the important materials and tools that I used to cook all the time. My onions, my ginger, my garlic, my knives, my spoons, my paper towel, and my chopping boards. I always use these things to cook like every time, and I don't like looking for them whenever I cook, so I just decided to leave them out here this way. So I did the same thing with this corner. I left out the 4 important appliances that I use every single day: my microwave, my air fryer, my smoothie maker, and my electric kettle. I honestly don't have time to start bringing them out from one cupboard when I want to use it, so I just decided to leave it out the way it is. So just above my cooker, I have my beans, rice, pasta, gari, crayfish, oil, and also my spices are also here. It just makes it very easy for me when I want to use them to cook, because I always use these guys to cook like almost every day. So it's just very easy for me to just pick them and just use them, and it's very close to my electric cooker. You guys know how this place was before. It was a mess but I'm happy that it's looking way better. And I have my pots here neatly arranged in this corner. I decided to spread them out. I didn't want to like pack them because I had so much space, so I just left them this way, and it looks really good like this. So just above where all my appliances are, I decided to put all my groceries. You guys know how this place was looking before. It was terrible. I'm so happy it came out this way. I decided to sort out everything inside this cabinet, all my groceries, like my cereal, my pancake mix, my sugar, my milk, my cocoa, every single thing. I just love the way everything is placed, and is looking way better than what it was before. So this is my kitchen, guys. Nothing too fancy, nothing so luxurious. This is my simple small kitchen in Dubai. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Because we finally come to the end of this video, please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.